Today we're going to move on and do section 1-4. You're going to notice that we have added another move, and the move we're going to look at today is taking away x. So everything that we've learned so far in section 1-1, 1-2, 1-3, 1-4, they all matter. So we're still going to take away x's, we're still going to expand things, we're gradually building up. So again, let's take a look at those directions. It is important to do these problems exactly like shown in the notes because it's going to gradually get more difficult. And when you do your problems for practice, do them just like what we're doing right now. So we're going to solve and check. We're going to write down the original problem. And now what we're going to do is we're going to expand. So you're going to notice there's two x's here. So I'm going to do x plus x, and then I've got my x, another x, plus 2 equals, I've got 2x here, x plus 10. All right, and then yesterday we learned that we can take away some x's. So you'll notice I've got 2 x's here, and I've got enough of those here. I cannot take away any more because, again, what you do to one side, you have to do to the other. So I'm going to subtract 2x. Notice how I'm showing that move. Left over is x plus 2 equals 10. So we've learned that so far. What's different today now is we can take away numbers. And you'll notice that the smallest number on the equation is 2. So I can subtract 2 from this side and I can subtract 2 from that side. I can't subtract any more. If I try to, then it's not going to be balanced because I don't have enough on the left-hand side. Then my leftovers, I have x plus x equals, and 10 minus 2 is 8. So now you're going to notice that the guessing part is really easy. X equals 4. I'm going to come over on the right-hand side, and I'm going to write the original equation again. That's really important. You always start with the original equation. And I'm going to take out my x, and I'm going to put in 4 because that's what I said x equaled. I'm going to multiply according to PEMDAS, so 8. And then I'm going to write down the other parts of the equation. Notice how they just come down. Okay, and then 2 plus 4 on this side is 8. One thing at a time. So, oops. One thing at a time. Now I'm going to add these two, so I get 12. I'm going to add 12 plus 4. (16 plus 2). 18 equals 18. Again, one step at a time from left to right. Let's go on and move to the next problem. Again, it's solve and check. So I'm going to write the original problem. Oops. I'm going to expand. All right, and now you got to think, how many x's can I take away? Well, I've got one x here. I don't have any more, so I'm going to take away an x here. So minus an x, minus an x. Oops. I've got x plus x plus x plus 3 equals 18. Now I can take away numbers. Again, if you can take it away, you need to take it away. So I'm going to subtract 3. That's the largest number that I can take away from both sides. And I end up with x plus x plus x equals 15. So my guess is x equals 5. I'm going to go ahead and move to my check. Again, the original problem. Take out my x, put in my 5. multiply from left to right. So I'm going to pick up my 15. Okay, now add and subtract from left to right. And I get 23 equals 23. Again, really important thing is you're going to notice that I can subtract x's here, so I'm going to do that. I can subtract numbers here, so I'm going to do it. So if it is something that you can do, you must do. Don't stop short. If you have any questions, let me know.